I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. As strong low pressure moves through the plains, wind gusts of 45 to 50 continue through tomorrow night. Even wind gusts to 60 over the southwest corner of Nebraska and far western Kansas tomorrow. Critical fire weather conditions for southwestern Nebraska, western Kansas, and much of the panhandle last through late this evening. Scattered thunderstorms develop over southwest areas this late afternoon and evening before more widespread storms after 10 tonight. Storms can be severe with golf ball size hail, wind gusts of 60, a few tornadoes, and locally heavy rain all possible. In an update from the Storm Prediction Center, central areas of Nebraska and Kansas are now favored for strong tornadoes. The higher or enhanced risk is in place for areas along and east of the line from Thedford to Gothenburg, Alma, and Hayes. A lower slight risk is near areas from Hyannis to North Platte, McCook, and Hill City. Thunderstorms with some hail continue through tomorrow. Occasional rain is possible for Wednesday night into Saturday with another system. Daytime highs cool from around 70 tomorrow to as low as the mid-40s to the low 50s Saturday. Temperatures just below freezing expected for Saturday night. Any cooling trend is short-lived in our long-term forecast. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are slightly cooler than normal this weekend through early next week before a quick turnaround to warmer than normal temperatures the middle of next week through April 28. Near normal precipitation is in the forecast for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through early next week. Precipitation chances improve to slightly above normal the middle of next week through April 28th in both Nebraska and Kansas. Thanks to the much warmer than normal temperatures over the weekend, soil temperatures at 7 this morning and 4 inches down improved to the low to mid 50s in Nebraska and the mid to upper 50s over Kansas. Key weather factors impacting the markets include another strong storm missing western areas of the southern plains and getting frost instead, mixed conditions in Europe and the Black Sea region, and wet season rains ending in central Brazil. This late day, a storm emerges from the Rockies, increasing the threat of severe thunderstorms across portions of the plains, with the primary threat moving into the Midwest tomorrow. Storm total rainfall could reach 1 to 3 inches across portions of the plains and much of the Midwest. The second half of the week, a trailing disturbance should produce additional rain in parts of the central and eastern U.S. The western wheat areas of the southern plains are missed by the rain again, and strong winds dry out the soils even more than they are already. Later this week, temperatures drop greatly, and the weekend could produce frost damage for winter wheat in the central and southern plains. For Brazil, there were numerous showers over the weekend, except in the northeast that was dry. The consistent wet season rain winds down in the next week, which does not bode well for the second crop corn in central Brazil with below normal subsoil moisture. The eastern two-thirds of Europe continue to see rain through the weekend. France and the UK are still too wet, and the pattern does not favor those locations drying out anytime soon. The Black Sea region, they continue to stay unfavorably dry. Wheat areas in the eastern Ukraine and southwestern Russia are the driest. The western and northern Black Sea region that grows more corn should get some needed moisture as planting starts. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.